All right, this is gonna be a quick video. So this is a Lincoln Aviator, by the way. Um, the year's '05, so pretty much one of the old ones, but still running good. So anyway, so we're gonna remove that cover. The reason being we remove that cover is because we're gonna change our IAC, also stand for air control valve. So your air control valve is right in here. If I remove that little pipe right here, so that's your air control valve right here as I'm touching it. So it's only two little screws, one here, one on top and one at the bottom. So I'm gonna remove that, and I can replace it if it look bad. It's not acting up, but I just decided to clean it because I'm doing a little bit of work on the engine, so I just decided to clean it. So I can actually undo my carburetor right here. I'm gonna take that off and clean it real good. I'm gonna undo that sensor right here and clean it real good. So, but your air control valve is right here. Once again, there's only two bolts. Take the top off, the bottom off, and take it out. You can clean it if you want to. If it's bad, you know, replace it with a brand new one and take it from there. But anytime you're cleaning your IAC sensor, always make sure you undo your carburetor and clean that. Always make sure you do that. So anyway, the size socket that fit the little bolt right there is a 8mm. So just like this. One thing I forgot to mention, your connection right here. So before you take the sensor out, do undo your connection first. I mean, you can take a sensor out with the connection still plugged in there, but you know it's preferable, you know, to just undo the connection. But you can do it however you want to. This is the second bolt at the bottom, so we got it out, and I believe, yeah, it comes with a washer, but the washer doesn't remove. So now all you have to do is just pry this out, and this is what it looks like. Now we're gonna have to change the rubber. Look at that, the rubber messed up. So see there. So we probably have to replace that, by the way. And the next thing we're gonna take out, like I said, we're gonna undo that sensor, and we're gonna undo the carburetor. Now you can get a clean rag once you take your air filter out. Get a clean rag and have the butterfly open just like so, and make sure your rag is clean. Okay, you don't have to spray any chemical in there, and you can go ahead and do that. Mine has just been cleaned not too long ago, so I don't have that much deposit as far as debris in there. So it's not that bad, but you can just clean it. You don't have to use any wire brush in there because you don't want to damage anything. So we just removed the throttle body sensor. So it was right here. We need 2 screws, and the screws that we removed from there is basically, that's the Phillips screwdriver. A little strange to me because I don't remember I've seen I have to use a Phillips screwdriver to remove those. So and this is the combination that I had to do just to remove that. Looking at from this sensor is not dry rotted, as far as it's not damaged. These little thing right here, these little lapes in between, so make sure they're not damaged. This is basically what I did. A little toothbrush, see there? That's it. That's all you need. And once you do that, get your clean rag and clean that. And right there where you remove the air control valve, again, you get a clean rag and stick it in there. And if it's dirty, believe you me, you see dirt coming out the clean rag. You see that? So again, you don't need to spray any chemical in there, because basically what you're doing by spraying chemical in there is like dirt. All the dirt, when you spray, guess what? It's going right back inside the motor. So just go ahead and get your clean rag and do that, instead of pushing the dirt inside the motor, because your job is to prevent having dirt inside the motor. Yeah, they say it's gonna burn out, whatever, but no, you don't know what kind of dirt is that. But anyway, so me personally, I'd rather remove the dirt, not push it deeper inside the motor. So after you finish cleaning it real good, so it's basically what it looks like. So all you do after that, just insert it right back in there. That's exactly what we're gonna do. So once you're done, go ahead, put all your connection back in there. I got my connection for my IAC is back in there. I got my connection for my throttle back in there, and everything is back in there. My air filter cover is back in there. So, and you're good.